as crypto just died. I'm basically going to be kind of doing a raw video of my thoughts on meme coin trading, crypto, and where I actually see it going. And then also what I recommend you guys do in this time where Solana literally has hit like $60 per Solana. And you know, a couple months ago, it was at like almost $300 per Solana. And I know a lot of us are probably freaking out, you know, wondering, shit, is meme coins dead? Like, what do I do? I'm in coins that are down horrendous. And I'm just going to give you my honest take as someone who has made more than 6 figures trading meme coins and what I'd recommend you guys would do right now. So we are on Axiom. I'm just basically going to be kind of going over the market, where I can see it going, and, you know, some supports on, you know, Solana, and basically just where I think, you know, this will go in the future. Now, first off, I want to start with the time horizon. Now, we're officially basically in a bear market. You know, I could see Solana going low as, you know, $40, even to $20 once again. And obviously that's like if it breaks these support levels here, you know, we have like a support level at $40. But obviously it has been broken and went below $20 before. And we did just break, you know, this super massive support right here. And, you know, what I was wondering is like, stocks, they're sending, crypto is dumping, and we have a pro-crypto president. So why is this happening? Basically, the popularity of crypto and the cycle is just over. So crypto and all crypto has cycles, as you guys can see. You know, Solana isn't the best example, but it had this last cycle and then it just had its second cycle. But we can go to something like Bitcoin. It's easier to show you guys. So you guys can see on Bitcoin, it had, you know, these past cycles here and basically retraced from the bottom. And this is just easy to show you guys basically what happens on average with crypto, why it's doing this now, and where it's gonna kind of bottom off. So like we can see here, it has done this before. It almost looks like the exact same chart, had the same, you know, kind of pullback if you do go from these cycles. So this is from June, you know, 2024 over here. Now it's 2026. And then this is the last cycle in 2020. And it came down for around, you know, 2 to 3 years. It was kind of in this, you know, bear stable market almost. And as we can kind of see, it went down, came down from 60K to what, 20K. So realistically from 120K, I could see, you know, Bitcoin going down to 40K and then kind of reaching a support, maybe even stopping at 50K, because Bitcoin is much bigger than Solana. And this is just going to be, you know, sitting at 50K for a very short time. And then I could see it reversing and then starting its next cycle going into after summer. So that's kind of where I see this going. You know, post summer, I think crypto is going to go up, but can you still make money with meme coins? The answer to that is yes. There's still trends blowing up where you guys can easily make money. Currently, I'm in Lone Star Tick. I mean, this is a great, you know, coin. I actually saw this over here. Sadly, I didn't buy it, but I just entered it. And you guys can already see I'm up 3 Solana. So it's very possible to still make money with meme coins. You just kind of have to follow trends, because as you can clearly see over here, there's only a coin bonding every, you know, 5 hours maybe. And back then there would be, you know, 5 coins bonding every 10 minutes. So it's kind of just a cycle. And I honestly think the next cycle, you guys will have to take advantage, be locked in, but I do still see there being opportunity in the future. So what can you guys do to find good coins? Basically, be active on Instagram, be active on your groups. But the time right now is to network. The time right now is to, you know, meet new traders and basically work on yourself and all that. And don't trade or don't overtrade unless you know it is a good coin and it's like a lock. Now, I recommend, you know, if you guys are watching this literally right now, I mean, here's the date. If you're watching this in June 6th, then this could be a good coin to bid, potentially duck, and then potentially for sure meme coin. I mean, this coin has so much potential, but the market has basically sort of ruined it, but I can see it reversing and coming back eventually. So this I'm very bullish on, still holding it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. I just wanted to do an update on what my thoughts are.